In this part, I'm going to show you how a spreadsheet can be used to illustrate the data on a scatter plot. So based on the previous slide, I'll start entering the data under columns time and population. For time, I need to add numbers from 1 to 10. Instead of typing 10 numbers, I can type 1 and 2. Then select these two cells, and when there is a plus in the corner, drag it down to number 10. Now I need to enter population. So 3,400, 4,100, 4,500, Okay, once the data is entered, select these both columns where the data is, click on insert, and then click on a chart type which is scatter. The first option is the best. Change title, for example, versus time. Click on this graph and you will see a plus sign next to it. When you click on plus, you can add access titles. So access title, time in years. This one could be population. Now to add a trend line or the regression line, again click on the plus sign and the last option is trend line. Now this is the trend line or line of best fit. Right click on the trend line, click on format trend line, scroll down the right panel. There is an option to display equation on chart. So the equation is y is equal to 495.76x plus 3013.3.